Hi guys, Aslam.o.Alikum. Today I am here again on behalf of HP Creative. So today I will talking about I sharing with you how to edit video and black and white convert to color. So please before of starting video, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you like my videos, and share my videos with your friends. If you have any problem, so you can contact me in comments. So dear friends, let's start.
है जुदाई खा गई बदली याद आदी अखी ते छा गई है जुदाई खा गई है जुदाई खा अखियां जो